Hi lovelies, let's make this sleek ponytail on a 4C natural hair. So this is my short 4C natural hair. As you can see, I didn't actually blow dry or any of that, so I just loosened it and the next thing I'm washing. So I'm using my activator moisturizer gel to just like make it a little bit softer, just a little portion please. Then I use this hard brush to like brush it through, comb and brush so that everything sleeps. This is a 4C hair. Then I'm having edge control or hair wax, whichever one you call it, to make it stronger. So just watch this video. I will let you to watch this to understand how I achieved this very beautiful result. So guys, enjoy the video. Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchichi, as you can see on the screen. And please, if you're just stopping by for the very first time, I want you to be a part of this wonderful community. Kindly click on that subscribe button to be able to see every of my videos, and click on that notification bell so every single time I make a new post, you will be the first to be notified of my post. Also, like, share, comment. I want to hear your thoughts on this hair, and if you have any questions to ask me, I will be in the comment section to reply all of you. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. Apply a generous amount of edge control or hair wax on your 4C hair. Apply a generous amount. So I'm using a toothbrush basically for my hair, and I have to really apply a generous amount and make sure that everything kind of sleeps. So use the hard brush to brush it through that everything will sleep very well. So I'm doing this in portions so that I can be able to like get it to be very sleek. So I added a little moisturizer again to the front part to lay it flat, as you can see on the screen. So that's the reason I'm doing this in portions, so that everything is well applied and it kind of lasts a little bit longer for you. So you need to tie it as hard as possible. Please don't tie it that you start having headache afterwards, but make it as tight as possible. Hold as much hair as you can hold, but not to the extent that it will be pulling your scalp. You understand what I mean? So be also easy on your scalp while doing that. So we go on to tie our head with a hair tie. So you have to tie it so that it will be strong. You can use your hand dryer too if you want to, but I think this is better, so it will kind of compress it so well that the hair will not pull out. This is a natural hair, so tying it helps you. So I tied it for at least 15 minutes. So depending on the time you have, you can tie for longer than that, 15 to 30 minutes, but I recommend at least 15 minutes tying before then. So this is a braid ponytail, so I'm just making the braid. I just tied it somewhere so I can be able to hold it since there's nobody working with me and I'm doing this. So this is just your normal boss braid pattern, so I'm just braiding it. So the coil you saw at the beginning there, this is how I made it with those rollers. So yeah. So you put this in a bowl and pour in hot water. This water should be water that has boiled very, very well. So you can see I didn't pour hot water on the braid itself because I don't want it to compress. So that's the reason I use my towel to like press it. So now detangle the hair from the rollers. Detangle it, but before you detangle, please let it dry. Either it air dry or it towel dry the hair before you start detangling. Please don't detangle it while it is still very, very wet, so you can actually maintain that coil. So the same rope I used to braid it then that I attached, that is what I'm using to tie my hair now. So you can also use the extension to act as this rope, but I prefer this rope first, so it will be very, very strong. I can be able to secure it very well. I used Brazilian wool, that's the rope I used there. So I used Brazilian wool, so I will use it to secure it tightly to the hair. So this is a twist made off camera to use to secure this same ponytail there, so that it will cover like the hair that you saw down there that a rope cannot cover fully. So this is what I used. I decided to do a twist to use it to secure it very well and for it to be more like standing ponytail. So the coils didn't look fluffy enough, it's just three, so I decided to scatter it, as you can see, not so roughly, but just for it to have more coils, you understand, to look fuller, because the fuller the better. So that's what I'm just trying to do. I'm just trying to separate it so it's not just three there. So separate it carefully, and yeah, you can see how beautiful this looks. Guys, what do you think about this hair? Please do not forget to click on that like button if you like this video. Share to your friends and family, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to be a part of this community. Please kindly subscribe, click on that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I make a new post. I want to hear your thoughts about this hairstyle. Is this something you will recreate? Do you love this hairstyle and will you be trying it? I want to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much guys for watching. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.